Do you want fix error code 0 in the Sims 4? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, we are going to the EA app, okay, here. Okay, we are going here, okay, and go to the installed games, okay, here, and go to the Sims 4, okay, and here, okay, we are going to the here in this option and go to the C properties, okay, and here you have examinate, okay, your ubication of your installation of the Sims 4, and here have arguments, okay, you put, okay, you screen full screen, okay, you put this, okay, and you save, okay. The second option, okay, we are going to here and go to the repair, okay, and here, okay, you repair the files of the Sims 4, okay, and you solve the problem, okay, of the code 0. Bye bye.